Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the Messages app and set as default on Samsung Galaxy S24. So here is my Galaxy S24 Ultra and now the Messages app is this one, and this is from Google, and if you don't like it and want to change it, you can do it because we have a second one, and this one is from Samsung, and this is the icon. Just tap on it, and now you need to set as default this Messages app. To do this, just tap on continue with Samsung Messages, and now select the other one and set as default. It is very easy, and now to write a message, just tap here, find your contact, write the message and send it. Now, if you want to go back to the other one from Google, it's the same, just tap on it. Now you need to set default SMS app, tap here, select the Messages app from Google and tap on set as default. And now to write a message, just tap here, find your name or enter a number, and then just go to the number and write the text message and send it. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.